EZVJack. EZVJack makes moving virtually any vehicle safe and easy. EZVJack's tripod design provides excellent stability for your vehicle. The arms adjust to fit almost any vehicle, allowing you to evenly distribute the vehicle's weight. You can put EZVJack in traditional mode or side saddle mode for heavily damaged vehicles that don't have suitable support points. EZVJack is great for body shops that have limited shop space because now you can move heavily damaged vehicles in and out of your shop easily and with only 1 or 2 people. EZVJack's height of 17 inches makes it ideal for doing any kind of body, brake, wheel, or suspension work on your vehicle. If you store your vehicle, you no longer have to worry about tire rot, grooving of your tires, or constant pressure on your suspension. EZVJack prevents any of this damage to your vehicle. Plus, it's easy to move your vehicle around without having to start it up. EZVJack's pad system helps prevent damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. EZVJack has one caster that can be locked, allowing one person to be able to move and steer the vehicle easily in an arc or side to side. The phenolic wheels are resilient to fluids, hard enough for light rolling resistance, and beveled for easy swiveling. EZVJack is designed to fit easily around a hydraulic jack, allowing you to have your vehicle on EZVJacks in a matter of minutes. As you can see, the hydraulic jack comes out just as easily as it went in. The combined load of 2 EZVJacks is 8,000 pounds, enough to support most vehicles. When not in use, EZVJack easily folds up to a narrow profile to maximize space. So whether you're an auto repair facility, auto body shop, hobbyist, vehicle storage facility, showroom, or just have a need to move and store vehicles easily and quickly, EZVJack is the tool for you. Contact us today to see how EZVJack can save you time, money, and hassle compared to what you may be using now. Easy.